We have to go jump on the whole Miranda situation ASAP as it relates to Mr. Mullings and Pearl. Him want go himself on this.
I hope him know him a do on that one. Because sometimes I just fear say him look like a run out.
Him a the boss and him say him know what him a do. So I could say what him a go do.
Son, that's a decoy.
Bye, Phil. Where go on? When? So over there stay now. Alright, thanks for the info. I have 2 links over there. I'm going to link them up and see what I go on. Alright. Something jump off over Spin Town again.
Wait, hold on. Rankin not just come back over there. I wonder if anything jump off with him.
I'm not sure. I'm going to try link Butcher and Itis them and see what I go on.
I only hope I know nothing jump off with them over there, you know. Because them been a hold the piece.
What happened? Oh, I understand. It's cleaning? Yeah, cleaner's been here.